Capital Paint Protection Film, located in Sanford, North Carolina, specializes in custom PPF installations. What does that mean? This new Grand Highlander is a great example. The computer-designed kit that all shops in the area would use had 4 seams where 2 pieces of film come together, either split or completely separate pieces. Now, here on this one, it was actually designed to where on each side there was going to be a 13-inch long seam right here and then a shorter seam right here. Now, no matter how tight those seams are and how great they look when they leave the shop, they can actually collect dirt over time. So on light or white cars, it's much more noticeable when it does get dirty. Now, Norm was able to do a custom installation without any of those 4 seams. So there is no unsightly dirt buildup on this white vehicle. It is true, sometimes seams are unavoidable, but Norm always has the goal to make his installations better and more invisible than computer cut kits. He also wraps the edges wherever possible, and where he can't, they are very tight. No 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch edge gaps where the film stops or misaligned edges. So now you know why so many choose a custom PPF installation from Capital Paint Protection Film. So don't settle for mediocre when you can have the most invisible installation. Contact us today.